Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of clean floors. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a good mop-off? In the left corner, we have the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1, the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, and in the right corner, the Shark S7000AMZ, your personal cleaning ninja, scrubbing its way through dirt and grime like it's auditioning for a cleaning reality show. Let's see which one comes out on top. Starting with the price, the BISSELL is coming in hot at $175, while Shark is trying to steal the show at $169. Reviewers note that while BISSELL is a bit pricier, its versatility makes it worth the investment, especially for those with pets or kids. However, many customers appreciate the Shark's lower price point and effectiveness, making it a budget-friendly option for maintaining clean floors. Now let's talk functionality. The BISSELL is a 3-in-1 powerhouse. It's a steam mop, a handheld cleaner, and an extended reach cleaner. Reviewers love its versatility and effectiveness in tackling tough stains, especially in homes with pets. Meanwhile, the Shark comes with an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Customers rave about this feature for its efficiency in scrubbing away dirt, but they also mention it lacks the handheld option that BISSELL offers. So, if you need to clean your car seat after a snack attack, BISSELL's got your back. When it comes to cleaning power, the BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which has garnered positive reviews from users who praise its deep cleaning capabilities. However, the Shark is also noted for being tough on stains, but gentle on floors. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on tile floors, especially those with pets, as it sanitizes effectively without damage. So, if you want a mop that's ready to go to war against the dirt, BISSELL is your soldier, while Shark is your gentle giant. Design. BISSELL has a swivel head for those tight corners, while Shark boasts a sleek design for easy maneuverability. Reviewers mention that BISSELL's design makes it effective for reaching difficult spots, while Shark's lightweight and easy-to-push design is praised for making cleaning less of a chore. It's like comparing a sports car to a luxury sedan. Both are fabulous, but one's going to turn more heads. With Shark, you can glide through your home like a stealthy ninja, while BISSELL is more like a determined contestant on a cleaning competition. And let's not forget accessories. BISSELL comes with a whopping 29 accessories, which reviewers say is more than they need, allowing for a variety of cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, Shark keeps it simple, with users appreciating the ease of use and fewer accessories. Some customers argue that sometimes less is more, especially when it comes to cleaning. Unless you're talking about pizza toppings, then more is definitely more. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and cater to different needs. The BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is favored for its versatility and deep cleaning capabilities, while the Shark S7000AMZ is appreciated for its efficiency and ease of use, especially in households with pets. So who's the winner? If you need versatility and a cleaning army, go for the BISSELL. But if you want a sleek, scrubbing ninja that can glide over your floors like it's on a mission, the Shark is your best bet. Either way, your floors will thank you, and your mother-in-law will stop judging you for that mystery stain in the corner. Remember, folks, whether you're Team BISSELL or Team Shark, the real winner is a clean home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.